everybody, Candi here. Hey everybody, Pandi here of PANDI'S Hair, Candi, and more, coming through with another wig review. I got another nice human hair unit. This one is going to be under $50 as well. It is going to be going in my affordable fall 2020 playlist. So definitely stay tuned. We're going to get into some things. I'm going to get this unboxed. We're going to go over the cap details, see what we're working with. It's going to take about a day or two for me to get it prepped because, again, it's a human hair unit. You never want to just throw a human hair wig on your head. You have to go in and shampoo the unit, prep it, may need to bleach the knots, we shall see. But to see the full unboxing and review, definitely make sure that you thumbs up the video, hit that subscribe button, and double tap the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time new videos are uploaded to the channel. Thank you. Once again, I'm Candi of PANDI'S Hair, Candi, and more. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.